Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to fix apps not visible on the home screen on the HONOR X5c Plus. So let's say you downloaded a new app and it's nowhere to be seen on the home screen. That means it's usually in the app drawer, and to fix that, make sure that new installed apps are always in the home screen. You can disable the app drawer. Simply open Settings by scrolling down from the top right corner, then press this little button. In Settings, go to Home Screen and Style. Go to Home Screen Style and select Standard. Press Apply. And now all apps should be on your home screen. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.